This is the bonus after hours party. You guys are invited to hang out with us while we work on this building right here. We're gonna replace this last rim joist and get this. Did you see that bug just fly right into my mouth? We're gonna be fixing this, and it's gonna be done. Are these rusty straps worth saving? I don't know.
Wow. Wasp.
That's kind of a cool find. Multi-story building in here. Ooh, there's a cockroach inside it. Crawling around. I can see it in the layers. I don't know if you guys can see what we're doing, but I have to put a little board in here to attach our new joist to. Okay.
Are we over here now?
Yeah, go ahead. What's it doing?
Whoa.
The bit's too small for it, but let me see. Yep, got it in though. Now we're gonna go big legs. There's a few places like this where it's difficult to bolt down, so I try to at least angle a few screws up into the floor to try to tie it to the floor. It's flashing tape time. Okay, now that the flashing tape is on, we have to hammer these straps back down, put some new nails in them, so that the house doesn't float away.
Float away.
Look at, they nailed this right between the studs. It's not even doing anything. Honestly, it's embarrassing me. Look at this. 4 nails are basically between the studs.
And why did they put that strap on like that with that one?
No idea. See, they were all just right in that crack.
That's really dumb. Ladder. Wrinkle in that.
Alright. I'm setting up creeper cam, hiding in the woods.
I like creeper cam. I'm gonna need glovies. I'm over here. Right?
Yeah.
Better.
Can I hold it?
Okay, that was easy. Actually, it's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You just get it in and then slide off. Okay, that was much easier than I thought it would be.
Siding is back installed and it looks a lot better than when we started. When we started, there was a big bow in the wall where it was kind of bowing outward. We had to fix the strapping, get everything back in line. Now it looks really good. Do you see that? Our batteries are dying on our work light and our camera, and it's late. So I think we're gonna call it quits right here. I know we didn't get to the window, but that's easy. As long as it doesn't rain, we'll be okay.
Next time.
I'm just happy we made it this far. This makes me feel better, leaving it
Me too.
with siding on. And we're getting this place back together. There's just a couple more little things that I wanted to share with you guys. And one of them is installing this window. I hate doing this on the ground because it picks up the grass and stuff, but I'm trying to be careful. Just lining up the butyl tape right on the line, right where the screws go. I think I'm going to clean the sill off first. That's better. Oh, wait.
Do you want to put a trim on the bottom?
Yeah, remember what happened last time?
Yeah, it was too low on the top.
Let me look at it.
I don't know.
So I just finished putting all the screws in. That window's done. Well, almost done. I don't know if you guys noticed, but these windows came with this little drip cap installed above them, and it was installed in a pretty unique way. It was actually pretty nice. But I'm leaving them out and I'm installing the windows flush without the drip cap because I plan on installing different drip caps above them. So I'm just doing it like a traditional flush to the wall mount. Right now, the top of the window isn't as secure as it should be as far as water getting in. It should keep it out, but there is a chance of leaking, especially over time. But once we install the new drip caps, it should really double up the protection so the water can't get in. So that's why I'm not putting these back in, because I do have another plan. But really, there was nothing wrong with this. And now, before we go, still one more job to do under here. I got a case of little lag screws. And these, they look small, but they're actually replacements for 1/2-inch lag screws. And these are going to be to reattach our new rim joist into the outriggers being those metal supports that are underneath the home. We had to take out some old nasty bolts. New ones going in. Good. We will be getting rid of this eventually, don't worry. It's just not the right time yet. So I think we just finished up the next step on this. I believe we are done with the rim joists, mostly.
Yeah.
Are we done?
I hope so.
There's a tiny bit of like dry rot, but it's not rotted enough that I feel like it needs to be replaced. So I think we're good, which is awesome, because that means we can move on to the next step, which is going to be finishing off that bottom edge. We have to put a trim board down there to seal it up and make it look nice. We'll show you guys that soon, I hope. Just now, I did just go around the whole building, and we made sure that we put in lag bolts in all the outriggers, not just on the back, but the front too, because we missed them last time because I didn't have them. So
yep,
those are done. And here's the plan right now, just so you guys know. This is our special little building on our property. After we get the bottom done, we're going to paint this. Well, no, let me say it differently. After we have one job to do, we're going to be doing some work on the end. We have to replace this door, and we have to replace the door on the end.
yeah.
So we're going to be working on that probably next. After all that's wrapped up, we're going to do the bottom board, and then we're going to be painting the building. I don't know if the bottom board comes next or not, but we're going to be painting. That's what we're leaning towards. That's what we're working towards.
Yeah.
We're in winter right now, so we're having mixed weather. It does get, oh yeah, it's not fun. You know what? I always think that there's two seasons, summer and winter.
Yeah.
So you have to forgive me. When I talk, there's literally summer, winter.
Yeah.
Spring and fall don't exist in my world.
Yep.
So when it starts to get cold, I call it winter.
Me too.
Until it gets warm,
Yeah.
and then I call it summer. So let me do this for the masses. It's fall, so the weather's mixed, and that does, so I don't know, we're pretty nice still. We have a lot of nice days, so we should be able to paint, but we got to be careful because the nights dip down, and I don't know if it's safe to paint on those cold nights. So we're going to try to work it in, but no guarantees.
Yeah.
That's our hope that we can paint. And I think that's all we have for now, but that's the plan. We're going to paint this soon, and it's going to be beautiful. And then we got to get it on blocks, get it leveled, and then we will build our beautiful ramps and things to get up into the building.
Yep.
Because we've had a lot of questions about that. So there is like an order of operations that we're doing where we need to get it leveled and blocked first, and then we can build some way to get in there. So
yep.
We have a lot of jobs coming, but that's all we have for now. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.